Hello, and welcome to the FleetGuard Air Filtration LED Sensor installation video. In this video, we'll cover the installation and the connection points required. The items included in the kit are the LED sensor and the pigtail harness. Some of the following items may be required to complete the installation. To start the installation, first locate and remove the existing restriction indicator. Locate and install the new FleetGuard LED restriction indicator. Be careful not to over-tighten. Next, locate the pigtail harness that came with the kit. An extension will need to be created to wire power to the sensor. Ensure all electrical joints are securely fastened. The red wire is for power, and the black wire is for ground. Add heat shrink to tie everything together once the connections are made. Route the extension cable to an area where an accessory or key switch power connection is available. This is typically available in the wiring harness under the dashboard. If the power connection is not made to the accessory or the key switch wire but directly to the battery, the sensor can drain the battery when the vehicle is off. Make sure to wire in a 2 to 5 amp fuse to the red wire before connecting to the accessory or key switch connection. Install the electrical connectors to the power and ground wires. In this example, we've used T-tap connectors for this task. Once the key switch power and ground connections are made, connect the connector to the LED indicator. The indicator will illuminate once the connection is made as long as power is present. Press the reset button upon the first power up. After the connections are made, tie up any loose wires or connections. Use additional cable ties to secure excess wiring